Hi everyone, Jasmine Faras again welcome you on my channel. How is practice going on? Did you try previous two practical problems? If yes, then very good. But if no, then please first go previous four videos. Then only you will come to know today's practical problem. Practical number 3, correct. So let's take notebook and pen and let's start. Here we go. See here. Vasu and Viraj share profit and loss 3:2. Now pay attention, their ratio is 3:2. See, this always we have to use while distributing general reserve, goodwill. Then, now see the balance sheet. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 as under. This is the balance sheet. We can call this is the old balance sheet and we need to prepare new balance sheet. Then, so we'll start. We have to put first tick mark. We have to read adjustment, then put tick mark. Why put tick mark? Because this all item has a adjustment. See here, reserve, closing stock, plant, building. So we put tick mark. That means while writing, we come to know that we have to write this inner column. So now let's begin with this is a account revaluation. This is also known as the profit and loss adjustment, partners capital and the balance sheet. Now let's begin with the balance sheet. Balance sheet always start with asset. What we have to do first step? Yes, we have to just copy and paste here. See, cash at bank 750 here, receipt 750 cash. Then sundry debtors, stock, investment, plant and building. See here, everything I have written inner column, only investment write outer column because investment did not have adjustment. So all are inner column. See, asset over, within 1 minute we finish asset side. Now we'll move to the liability side. Of course, sundry creditors. See here, sundry creditors 45,000. Now next is the general reserve and this is a capital. So capital rise, ओपनिंग ऑलवेज राइट क्रेडिट साइड. अब पता चला होगा आपको, लास्ट दो वीडियो में हमने देखा है कि ऑलवेज राइट ओपनिंग क्रेडिट साइड. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द जनरल रिजर्व, दैट इज ऑल्सो वी नीड टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग द ओल्ड पार्टनर. हु आर द ओल्ड पार्टनर? वासु एंड विराज. सो 3:2, 18,000 एंड 12,000. सो 30,000 हमने क्या किया? डिवाइड किया. सो वी फिनिश. सी हियर. Now move to the adjustment. They admit Mr. Hari on 1st April. See, they always admitted first day of accounting year, 1st April. Their balance sheet closed 31st March. एक दिन पहले उनकी balance sheet close हो गई है. And next day they admit Hari as a new partner. We will start the first. He shall have to bring 60,000 as a capital. Now two effects. Every adjustment has minimum two effects. So one effect will go as a capital. क्वेश्चन में ही आधा सॉल्यूशन होता है. सो वन इफेक्ट विल गो कैपिटल एंड अनदर इफेक्ट विल गो 60,000. दैट मीन्स कैश. लेट्स बिगिन. सी हियर, फर्स्ट विल गो टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. हरी ब्रिंग, हरी इज अ गिवर, सो राइट क्रेडिट साइड. बाय कैश एंड बैंक. ऑलवेज मेक अ हैबिट टू राइट कैश एंड बैंक. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट हैपन इन कैश? यस, कैश गेट इंक्रीज. देखो पहले 750 थी सिर्फ, अब कैपिटल लेकर आया हरी, so it's become 60,000. So now total 6750. Directly you can write adjust outer column because now further they have not given any adjustment regarding cash. So wait, otherwise write directly outer column. Otherwise end of the closing also you can write here 6750. Next one. Yes, here this is a new adjustment. Adjustment is not a new actually, but previously two problem they have given goodwill amount ready made. ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दिया था कैलकुलेशन करके हमें, बट यहाँ पे we have to calculate goodwill. See, value of goodwill of the firm is to be fixed at average profit last 3 years. प्रॉफिट लास्ट 3 साल में उनको ये हो गया है और इसके हिसाब से हमें क्या निकालना है? गुडविल. गुडविल ऑलवेज डिपेंड ऑन और गुडविल ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट ऑन प्रीवियसली प्रॉफिट. जो भी लास्ट 3, 4, 5 साल से जो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, समटाइम लॉस होता है, तो उसका सब एवरेज निकालते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके परसेंटेज कैसे हम कैलकुलेट करते टीचर्स? ऑफ कोर्स बाय टेकिंग ऑल सब्जेक्ट टोटल डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट you get your average. So same here we have to calculate. Now here they forget to write here. So write here for a purchase of 1 year. Actually this is also must. We need this information, but printing mistake शायद है. So you just write here 1 year, purchase of 1 year. Then now we'll see how to calculate the goodwill. Very simple. See, this is the formula. Goodwill is equal to how to calculate average profit into number of year purchase. So see here, he brings 60. Okay, that is done. Value of goodwill firm is valued. Now see here, average profit. So first we have to calculate average profit. 48,000, here 48, 81,000 and 73,500. All are profit. If suppose this is a loss, अगर ये loss होता तो हमने यहाँ क्या किया होता? Yes, instead of plus we do here minus. But fortunately they are getting last 3 years profit. So we'll write here 3 divided by 3. Why 3? Because 3 years profit. If they have given 4 years profit, so we should write here 4. If they have given 5 years profit, we should write here 5. Okay? So profit of last 3 years divided by 3, we get average profit 67,500. That means कम से कम उन्हें प्रॉफिट साल में 67,500 होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एवरेज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला बताया मैंने, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. नाउ वी गेट एवरेज प्रॉफिट हियर. So put here average profit into number of year purchase. See, number of year purchase 1 year. So into 1. So answer comes 67,500. So goodwill value is 67,500. First time they have given here to calculate. Otherwise, most of the time they use ready-made amount. Right? So 67,500 is our goodwill. Now, what they have given about goodwill? Goodwill, raise the goodwill. See, we'll go back side. See here. This is calculation done. Hari is unable to bring the value of goodwill in cash. See my second video, I explain you. Sometimes it is possible that new partners is unable to bring the goodwill, but they have to, means old partner has to raise the goodwill. So see here, it is decided to raise the goodwill in the books of account. So always raised by, see, always raised by old partner. So we'll see the journal entry. Goodwill raised, so goodwill account debit to old partners being goodwill raised. See, this is third treatment. Go to my second video, you will come to know what is this. So here only they raise the goodwill, not write-off. Fourth treatment is goodwill raise the goodwill and the write-off. But here they have given that much only. Partners raise the goodwill, so only one entry will come. The first thing, now we have to find out whether we have to write goodwill in balance sheet or not. See, as I told earlier, goodwill की कोई जोड़ी है ही नहीं, debit only given. So cut तो कुछ हो रहा नहीं, debit minus credit, only goodwill left. So yes, so goodwill will come in the new balance sheet. Goodwill will appear in the new balance sheet. So first effect goodwill and second effect credit side old partner. Every adjustment has a two effect. लास्ट दो एग्जाम्पल में हमने देखा था प्रैक्टिकल में कि गुडविल डेबिट और गुडविल क्रेडिट, नीचे की एंट्री में डेबिट और क्रेडिट माइनस होता था तो इफेक्ट बिकम नील, बट यह गुडविल को कोई माइनस करने है ही नहीं, तो गुडविल विल कम इन द बैलेंस शीट. एंड सेकेंड वासु एंड विराज कैपिटल विच साइड, ऑफ कोर्स क्रेडिट साइड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ सी हियर, बाय goodwill 45,27,000 done credit side. And now next is we have to write goodwill. First time, see, first time we have written goodwill in asset side. पहले दो प्रॉब्लम में हमने नहीं लिखा था because goodwill debit minus goodwill credit effect becomes zero, null. So no question of writing in asset. But here we need to write here 67,500. I hope you are getting it. Now next, RDD created 1,500. very good, ready-made amount दी दिए. So RDD of course minus करते हैं हम लोग debtors से, so minus it 1,500. it becomes 65,250. now second effect will go. This is the expenses, loss for the firm. So write debit side. Revaluation is a nominal account. Debit all expenses and credit all income. You can write here in pencil. So RDD comes debit side. Next, closing stock value 22,500. See, whenever word valued given, what we need to do? There is a stock here. So we need to write outer column. See, प्रीवियसली इट वॉज 25,500 बट जैसे ही वैल्यू किया उन्होंने स्टॉक का दे गेट दिस अमाउंट 22,500. नाउ यू डिसाइड इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ डिक्रीज by 3,000. Use decrease word. Stock is a current asset, so always write decrease or increase. For a fixed asset we write appreciation and depreciation. Okay? So now decrease, again this is a loss for the firm, so again we'll write debit side. Now we'll move to the next. Plant and building depreciate. First we'll see the plant and building depreciate. See, 4,500, 85,500. So again this is a loss. Again loss. क्या भाई लॉस ही हो रहा है फर्म को. ठीक है. Then see building, again 5%. So building 5%. See here 5%. Again depreciate 1,800. कैलकुलेशन बहुत सिंपल है. 10% कितना आता है? 36,000 का 10% इट कम्स 3,600. 10% का 5% तो इट बिकम 1,800. ठीक है. तो उंगलियों पे आप कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो. Here minus 34,200. Again this is also loss. Very bad. Again loss. See, this all are expenses, losses for the firm only. They are not getting income yet. We'll see next. Yes, over. See, all posting is done. All adjustments are done. Prepare profit and loss balance sheet. Okay, now it's time to close. See, this side comes heavy. Last two previous practical problem we get profit, income side heavy थी, but now here we get expenses side heavy. So right here both side we have to write same amount. Now this minus this, कोई minus करने है ही नहीं, so we'll get 10,800 only. Now we can call loss on revaluation. Here credit, so we'll transfer here debit. So जैसे profit old partner में distribute होता है, वैसे loss भी दो partners में old partner में distribute होता है. Ratio is same, 3:2. ठीक है. Everywhere we have to write this ratio, 3:2. Now see, close this one. 60,000 is की total. विराज की it's come 1,11,000. वासु total comes 1,66,500. Write both sides. See, now close it. Now first we'll close Hari 60,000 है, कुछ minus है ही नहीं, so here will come 60,000. Then विराज total 1,11,000, उसमें से 4,320 minus करो, here will get answer. This we have to total, here we have to minus it, so answer will come this much. We'll call balance carried down. This is the opening balance, this is a closing balance. So this is a final amount of their capital. This all will transfer to the balance sheet. Vasu capital, Viraj capital, Hari capital. Don't forget to write capital account. Huh? You always forget, you write only Vasu, Viraj and Hari. So don't do that. So now make a total. Balance should get tally. See here, we get tally. I hope आप भी calculation कर रहे हो. ठीक है? I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Bye bye.